stealth camping at IKEA. Right now, I'm in an IKEA car park. I did some scouting out the night before and it shuts at 10 PM. Right now it is 7:30, just about. So, 2.5 hours to hopefully evade the security. What we're gonna do, I've parked up, we're gonna go inside, I'm gonna get some snacks and a drink for the night. Get back in the van, get in the back right here, just behind these blackout curtains, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it'll go well. I don't know, it's my first time stealth camping. I'm looking forward to it. I've always wanted to do it actually. Here we are then, so it's 7:30 at night. It's still packed. Obviously it shuts at 10 PM. Everything's reopened again because of the restrictions or easing in the UK. Well, I expected it. So it's kind of cool that a lot of people are here now. Hopefully they'll start going soon. I can't wait until we don't have to wear these anymore. They're so just annoying, aren't they? Let's switch to the iPhone. Before we go, I'm just gonna crank the windows down. See these, I've got the wind guards so I can leave some like air to get in. So that should be good for stealth. That open just before I don't forget, that's all. Okay, let's go. This is what I ended up getting then. So, you seen them Kex biscuits. I thought I'd just give them a try. Some biscuits. Some Munsbit nut bar with blueberries. They sounded alright. Quite expensive though for 4 little bars. They're like £3 or £2.50. Oh, these look good. Dime, heard of them before. So Marabou, some kind of chocolates, chewy chocolates. They look really good. Just for some snacks for tonight. And I come all the way to IKEA, Liam, and you get a Coca-Cola. What are you playing at, you idiot? I wanted like a Swedish drink, but the food court in this IKEA is terrible. You know what, guys? I think this is the perfect time to move the van to the place we're going to end up staying. So, let's go quick. Belt on, Liam. Here we are. Alright, I think I found the perfect spot. The iconic IKEA sign right there. Look at the sun setting. Looks nice. Let's get it back before anybody sees. Curtain back. Biscuits, chocolate, Coke, all in. Oh, my Coke's fizzed up now. Okay. It's the riskiest bit. Quick, come. Leo, mate, you're 25, what are you playing at? There we go, lights on. Okay, I think we're in. We just gotta close this. It's so hard one-handed, right? Let me close this, guys. This is exhilarating, I love it. I think we should be okay though, you know. As long as you see there, the only thing, or the only reason we might get caught is because of the light getting through that gap there. But let me just show you one thing. So I've got 2 of these. These are kitchen cloth, kitchen towels, call them what you want. But I was thinking, to stop the light getting out at night, I can just do this, lodge them up there. I've got like clips, see these little clips? So them, and I can just clip them onto that. So, you know, like that, I think it will help a little bit. That'll do. I've actually worked up a thirst from walking around IKEA. I think the last time I had a Coke was when I was in Spain on a beach, and it was like 27 degrees. I was just sunbathing, So I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner of your screen right now. So if you want to go watch it, go watch it. I don't really drink Coke. I don't really drink like sweet stuff, but this is an exception. I'll show you what the plan is tonight then. So there's a toothbrush for later, toothpaste. This is, ooh, what we got in here then? Come on, off. So we got some Chipotle Fuego mild chili sauce. Wonder what that's for. Spoon, obviously a pot, a tub, you'd call that, wouldn't you? A tub to eat in. And then we got some ramen chicken noodles. Cheap, just a cheap camping meal. I'm going to be doing cooking in the van, guys. Steam's going to get everywhere. So the windows, that's why they're down. I'm going to be cooking these with some chili. Can't wait. Cheap and cheerful, but this is me. I don't need anything, you know. I don't need an expensive, fancy meal. I'm okay with this. 3 minutes to 9. IKEA closes in 1 hour and 3 minutes. I was just thinking to myself, as I came in, I seen 2 barriers and a sign. The sign said vehicles were okay overnight, but I guess they shut the barriers just after they closed the store. So this is it. No going back. After 10 o'clock, we are staying in the IKEA car park. We can't go anywhere. Car park isn't clearing as quick as I thought it would do. It's an hour left. Still quite a few cars. This is how I'll be boiling the water for the noodles right there. I don't advise you to do it. Don't follow Liam. Liam is an idiot. Please do not do it in a confined space. With that said, it's a stealth camp, so I'm doing it. It's on a stable base. Yeah, that'll be fine, that. Perfect. Say about that much. That's the dangerous bit. Oh, shit. Sprinkle the chicken powder on. Yeah, it's quite soft already actually. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a lid on, leave it for 10 minutes, and then come back. Oh yeah, they're done. How much should we put in? Don't be a pussy, Liam. Fuck. No, that's better though, that's better. Chipotle chili sauce is the best. It's got like a smoky flavour. I'm putting some more on, it's that good. I'm not even joking, guys. For dessert, we're going to have some Marabou Dime chocolate. So that's dessert. That's alright, and half a Coke still left. Drinking a Coke at like 10 to 10. It's a pretty good stealth camping meal, that is. I'm going to try these. I'm still kind of hungry. Keks. Oh, they're really good. Oh shit. It's closing time. Closing time. What time is it? It's quick, quick, quick. 2 minutes. Alright. Get this off quick. It's like a little sniper's hideout. The car. Oh my. There's so many cars here still. Maybe they're just allowed to leave them. That's pretty cool. Okay. I think behind that white car in the middle of your screen right now, just behind that is where the barrier is, and I haven't seen anyone yet, so I think we're good. I think we're clear on. Yeah, there's a car just there. still open. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I'll get my iPhone out and we'll go walk around. Coast seems okay. A little bit of fog there. Alright, let's go. Just got back into the van, and just as I was coming through, there was like that bush there, I was just coming through that, and I saw a security guard with a like fluorescent jacket on, and I think he was scouting out my van, so I've got to be careful now. Can't turn lights on. I think the best bet is to get back into there. We've had a walk around. I went into McDonald's for a pig, but yeah, just stealth camping. Obviously, I'm pretty sure he knows we're here, but he's not said anything yet. So let's get back in there before he does. Quick! Ooh. Hello. Good night, IKEA car park. Oh, that car's just been opened. Peace. Okay, there's someone right outside, opening a car. There it is, he's leaving, or she. Alright, they're gone. That's lucky.
Good morning.
Alright, socks on. One's a bit nuts by blueberries. I'll get yourself some of them. They're nice. There's somebody parked right next to me. I think it's time to go. It's the riskiest, worst bit. Okay. Get the keys, Liam. Where are the keys? Okay, I think I left them in the back. Idiot. Idiot. We should be okay. Out on. And we're off. And we are off. On set, guys. I'll pick the camera up in a second. Exit sign. And we out, boys and girls. And we out. IKEA is done.